Oh, get the card first. Pull the card off. Good. There you go. I'll open your card, you open the present, okay?
Alright. I think it's a Spider card. It is a Spider card. Woohoo! A Lego. It's a Lego. Awesome. It's a Lego.
Let me see.
It's a Lego.
Super cool, bud. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Aunt Charlene.
Thank you, Aunt Charlene.
And
It's
what
a
else?
Spider card. Spider card. Ooh, that's cool. You open it. Whoa. It has a button.
Wow, bud.
Read it.
I'll read it to you. Okay, ready? Is there no limit to your superpowers? Have an awesome birthday. Love, Uncle John and Aunt Charlene.